Hello everyone. Today we're designing a custom form in Webflow to collect specific user information. Let's get started. In your Webflow project, navigate to the page where you want the form. Drag a form block onto the canvas. Inside the form, you can add various form elements like text fields, email fields, text areas, checkboxes, radio buttons, and select drop-downs. Customize each field by selecting it and changing its settings in the Settings panel. Set field names, placeholders, and required fields. Style your form using the Style panel to match your site's design. You can adjust colors, borders, padding, and so forth. To handle form submissions, go to Site Settings. Click on Forms. Here you can set up notification emails or integrate with tools like Zapier for advanced workflows. Now test your form by filling it out and submitting to ensure everything works as expected. Once satisfied, you can go ahead and publish your site. And that's how you create a custom form in Webflow. If this tutorial was useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Links for more resources are in the description.